In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own sound in TikTok in 2021. This works for both iOS and Android, so just follow the steps I'm taking. As you can see here, I'm on my brand new TikTok page and I have nothing here. So in order to add your own sound, you can either record a TikTok using the sound you want to make, like if you want to say a name or just sing or something. But the easiest way, if you want to add a song, is to just go to YouTube. As you can see, I'm on a copyright-free song. What you can do is play the song, record it on your phone so that you have a clip of that phone. It has to be MP4 though. Once you have that, you want to go back to TikTok. And now you have to upload that video clip like I did. Select, go back, go next. And you now have to post this clip publicly. Post it publicly. As you can see, everyone can see this post. It's being uploaded. As you can see under me, there it is. This is the video I've posted. It has to be public and an MP4. You now want to close TikTok. Reopen TikTok. Wait till it loads. Click me in the bottom right. Click on your video. And now click the music disc icon in the bottom right of your video. There you go. Original sound. You can now use this song, add it to your favorites, and all that good jazz. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. How to make your own sound in TikTok in 2021. Successful.